Hi, my name is Rebecca, and welcome to Intro to German. Have you ever considered learning German? In this video, I'm going to show you many advantages of learning German as a foreign language. Did you know that German is the most widely spoken language in Europe? Also, there were so many immigrants from Germany coming to the US that over 50 million Americans claim German ancestry, which makes them the largest single ethnic group in the United States. Worldwide, there are now over 100 million native German speakers, and about 230 million speakers in total. It's not only spoken in Germany, which is the largest economy in Europe, but also in Austria, large parts of Switzerland, and smaller parts of other countries. In addition to communicating with a lot of people, learning German can help you get in touch with Germany's rich past. Germany has made big contributions to music, art, literature, and philosophy. Some extremely influential German thinkers you might have heard of are Martin Luther, who played the most prominent role in the Reformation of the Church 500 years ago, or Immanuel Kant, who is considered to have laid the foundation of modern philosophy. Many inventions originate in Germany too. Can you guess what Mr. Daimler and Mr. Benz invented? Yes, the automobile. Maybe you would still be riding a horse to get into town if it wasn't for these famous Germans. Still not convinced? If you like music, you'll be surprised how much music was written by composers from Germany and Austria. Here's a list of what the New York Times considers the 10 greatest composers of all time. And you'll see that 6 out of 10 were German speakers: Bach, Beethoven, Mozart, Schubert, Brahms, and Wagner. Traveling in Germany, Austria, or Switzerland is a lot of fun too. I've done this several times, and I really enjoy hiking the Swiss Alps, trying all sorts of European cuisine, the Autobahn, where cars can go as fast as you want, or the large network of high-speed trains. But some people do more than just visit Germany. My sister, for example, learned German even though she grew up in California. And she's now studying medicine in Germany. She's loving it, and the best of all, college in Germany is free. If you can't wait to start learning, I'm going to use the rest of this video to introduce some basic characteristics of German. German has a lot of words that are very similar to English. They sometimes are spelled or pronounced a bit differently, but are still so similar that you won't have any difficulties recognizing them. I'm going to say a few German words: Fisch, Eis, Haus, Maus, Mama, Kindergarten. And there are many more that are a bit more different, but still similar enough that you'll figure it out. Can you guess the following colors? Rot, Grün, Braun, Blau. German uses the same letters as the English alphabet, but there are also a few additional characters. There are 3 additional vowels, called Umlaut. They are written like an A, O, and U, but with 2 dots on top. There's also a special form of an S that is used sometimes. It looks a little bit like a B. Finally, every noun in the German language has one of 3 genders: male, female, or neutral. So, when English speakers say the man, the woman, the child, German speakers say der Mann, die Frau, and das Kind. When learning a German noun, remember to always learn the gender of the noun. If you want to become fluent in German, you probably need to study in Germany for some time, or take an intense language training course in your country. But you can get a great head start by playing our fun games. I suggest you start with the fun picture games like Learn German in the Park or Learn German at School, and then continue with our more rigorous vocabulary practice games. Auf Wiedersehen. Until next time, always be clever. Hey!